Yokohama Chinatown is the largest among the 3 Chinatowns in Japan and is even one of the largest in the world. It is located in the center of Yokohama City. It is also very near Tokyo and just takes less than an hour by car. Yokohama Chinatown quickly developed after the port of Yokohama was opened to foreign trade way back in 1859. Nowadays, there are still around 4,000 Chinese people living within the area, and these residents are mostly from southern China. There are so many things that you can see and do in Yokohama Chinatown. Strolling around, you will notice for sure the many colorful gates scattered around the area. They are so beautiful and for sure you won't leave without taking some photos. There are also many kinds of shops selling Chinese-related items such as traditional clothing, memorabilia, charms, and more. So if you've been looking for a massive selection of Chinese goodies, Yokohama Chinatown is the best place for you to shop. And of course, food. Yokohama Chinatown has hundreds of food shops and restaurants promising to give you the best Chinese food experience you'll ever have, so make sure not to go out of the area without trying any.